Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export chat history as a text file online. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on one of your chats and then click on the settings option, which is at the top right corner, and then you can see the export chat history. So by clicking on this option, the app helps you to export this chat history as a text file. So you can choose between different options, like to convert it as a, or export the chat history through the messages, or through WhatsApp or Gmail or Messenger, and you can see a bunch of possibilities. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.